Hi, I'm Sean, and I have a dream. I believe everything in the entire world should be connected to the internet to make our lives easier. The thing is, you go into a store these days and there's usually an internet-enabled version, which basically means it's 5 times more expensive and takes an engineering degree to make work. Plus, I don't want new things I buy to be part of the internet. I want everything to be part of the internet. So I got to thinking, what if there was a little device that I could put on anything that would allow me to monitor it and thus control something based on that? I think that would change the world. So this one day, I'm out with my buddy James and I say, "Hey James, you think we could make this happen?"
Well, Sean, you're a software guy, I'm a hardware guy. We can definitely do this.
Can you imagine? What would we want to monitor and control? A restaurant could put them on their chairs and count how many times they've moved. Or put one on their beer taps and count how many beers have been poured.
Hey, we could even put one in a fridge or a freezer and monitor the temperature at all times.
Or hey, could you put one on my beer so nobody steals it?
Hey, Sean, think about where we could use this around the home. You could put one on your front door or garage and be notified anytime it's open.
Yeah, or put one on a mailbox and get a text if your mail arrives.
What about putting one in your child's bedroom to monitor the temperature at all times?
Ooh, yeah, or put one on a windowsill and get alerted if your teenager tries to escape.
Great idea. Just think about all the places we could use this inside, like in a kitchen.
That's right, like on a dishwasher to make sure it's on, or make sure people aren't getting into the wrong cupboards.
Hey, we could count how many times the fridge is open, or put one in your wine fridge to make sure the wine is staying chilled.
Exactly, or put one in the cookie jar so you know when your kids grabbed snacks before dinner.
What about at work?
Yeah, you could monitor the temperature from office to office instead of just one place.
Can you imagine putting one on your chair and being notified if somebody's been messing with it?
Or more importantly, somebody's not messing with your desk and tries to steal your stapler. You know, there's already products like this out there, but they're little circuit boards that feel like they're going to electrocute you or stab you or kill you in some way.
Let's just stop talking about this, Sean, and let's make it happen.
Introducing the Cubic, the world's first truly affordable Internet of Everything device that will help you control and monitor everything in your life from the comfort of your phone.
This 1-inch cube is large enough to be found easily, yet small enough to be attached to almost anything. Cubic is easy to set up, connects to your Wi-Fi and a flash to transmit data to the cloud, and comes with a rechargeable, long-lasting battery.
We're starting with 4 different versions: temperature, movement, humidity, and light.
And this isn't just an idea anymore, it is real. We've spent a year refining our designs and testing our prototypes. It's ready to go. We just need financial support to complete the required certification and tooling.
We believe this will change the world. What do you think? Kickstarter friends, it's up to you. Buy one and help us change the world.
Hey Kickstarter, my name is Akshita.
And I'm Ranjith.
And we are the creators of Inerv React.
Inerv React is the world's first intelligent stove safety device that attaches directly to your existing knobs and recognizes potential threats, turning your stove off before it's too late.
How many of you have ever left food cooking on the stove for too long and ended up with smoke everywhere or even a fire?
Or left your house and just wondered whether you left the stove on?
If you've never left your stove on before, you may wonder whether this is even a problem that needs a solution.
The kitchen is the center of our homes. It's where so much of life happens, spending time with loved ones, preparing food, and sharing meals. With so much happening, it's easy to forget something as simple as turning off your stove. If we're not careful, something terrible can happen. I know because it happened to me. In the United States alone, there are over 357,000 house fires each year. That's one house fire every 85 seconds. These house fires cause almost 13,000 injuries per year and 7 deaths every day. And cooking equipment is the most common cause. How many of these can be prevented with Inerv React?
Inerv React uses a combination of sensors and electronics within these units to turn your stove off when a hazardous situation is detected or before one even arises. Attach your existing knobs to the device or use them as your new knobs and place a sensor unit on the ceiling above. This unit is the brains of the device and houses a gas sensor and smoke detector which, when activated, signal the knob unit to turn off the burner. This unit also contains a motion sensor that's linked to a timer in the knob unit. You select the time interval you want using the touch sensor, or you can use the default setting. If no motion is detected in the vicinity of your stove during that time interval, the knob will activate and turn your stove off.
Inerv React's novel design allows it to work on any gas or electric stove and attach to knobs of all shapes and sizes. And if you're away from home, the smartphone app allows you to check whether your stove is on and turn it off if needed. You can even adjust the temperature of your stove to ensure your food doesn't overcook.
Here at Inerv, we're passionate about creating innovative solutions to problems that affect your well-being and safety every day. Our team has worked incredibly hard this past year to bring Inerv React to life, designing it to be as efficient as possible while creating it to look great in any home. But now we need your help to take the final step and get this revolutionary device into every home and onto every stove.
So please back us and help us reach millions of people like you
who want to keep their home and loved ones safe. We hope Inerv React will provide you with the peace of mind you deserve.
Together, we can help to prevent the devastating effects caused by house fires. Thank you.
IoT applications and devices are the heart of the fourth industrial revolution that will turn our home, industries, and cities in smart. The smart machine is an advanced device that functions as either a node or gateway for the IoT applications. It's created for those who want to design innovative network solutions. The smart machine has the IPv6 address, the AES 128-bit security, and ultra-low consumption. The smart machine combines logic with short-range connectivity thanks to the powerful Cortex-M3 and the 6 low-PAN transmission protocol. Power supplied by either USB or battery, and 5 iOS for sensors and actuators make the smart machine flexible and powerful, suitable for all IoT applications. The smart machine is a Contiki-based device. Contiki is an open-source operating system for the Internet of Things. It is a toolbox for building complex wireless systems. Contiki connects the smart machine to Internet. The network applications built with Smart Machine are natively connected to the cloud for storage and distribution of information. Then, they're managed via smartphone, tablet, or computer from anywhere in the world.
Would you like to make development for the Internet of Things easy? Great. I am Gabriel, and we are working to make that possible. We have built a product family, Riots, which is a cost-effective and easy-to-use solution for cloud-based sensing and control. Riots includes a dynamic cloud interface from which you are able to sense conditions beyond the physical boundaries and remotely react to them. Oh, and it's designed in Finland. It all started when our propeller head Samuli fearlessly went to battle against the jumble of wires and the untamable weather. Samuli could not fathom how cumbersome and laborious it was to create a useful device out of a kit or components, nor why he had to always physically connect a wire to it in order to program updates. So he decided to roll up his sleeves and tackle these problems. The result of hard work was the creation of a revolutionary family, Riots. It contains a mama and an endless variety of babies. Riots' idea is simple. For example, it can be used to automatically control a washroom's humidity level. Simply attach a baby in the washroom, then attach another baby to the ventilation unit. Then finally connect the mama to the internet and add Riots' family to your account. Now you are done. The babies are then capable of being monitored and controlled directly from the Riots cloud. As an extra bonus, all individual Riots can be wirelessly reprogrammed from the internet. A Riots network is established using the mesh network principles, containing one mama and multiple babies. An individual mama can manage hundreds of uniquely tasked babies. A baby is also capable of communicating directly with other babies without external control. The Riots network is easily extendable and updatable. Only your imagination limits how you can benefit by utilizing Riots. Riots is open sourced, Arduino compatible, remotely programmable, affordable, and a minimalistic solution. I'm sure you can come up with thousands of different ways to exploit Riots. Riots is now a fully functional prototype, and we need your support in order to bring Riots to mass production. Let's define the future of IoT development with Riots. For just a few dollars, you can join the IoT revolution. Thank you for your support.